What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Kim from STEDI here doing installation video on our new EVO Light Bar. Inspired by STEDI's iconic Type X EVO driving lights, this sleek powerhouse unit isn't just about illumination, it's about taking your outdoor experiences to a whole new level. The EVO Light Bar embodies innovation and quality, drawing inspiration from STEDI's flagship products with features like an incredible beam throw and now an optional daytime running light. It's not just about looking good, it's about setting new standards in the lighting industry. The EVO Light Bar features an innovative mounting bracket system, ensuring rock-solid installation even in the toughest conditions. We give you the two side brackets on the side and also our new EVO clamp brackets from behind. And speaking of customization, this is where the EVO Light Bar truly shines. With a variety of options to choose from, including color fascias and optional accessories, you can tailor your EVO Light Bar to match the rest of your EVO driving light range. Plus, we've added the custom key that helps with removing your fascia, that also doubles as a bottle opener, so it's not only practical as it is stylish. All right, so let's get into installation. We're going to install it today on this 150 Prado, and we're going to use the clamp brackets from behind to go onto the tube. So here we have our EVO Light Bar. Now, we've got the options of our side mounted brackets that bolt into the side here. We've got these slots here that are made for our clamp brackets. Today on this installation, we're going to use the brackets on the back here. That is simply going to clamp over our tube and be mounted flush against the bar. You have our side brackets here, which go on the side. They are included inside the box. Now, we also have our clamp brackets from behind. These join together and clamp behind the light bar. Be sure to check our website for all the measurements. There are 3 different size brackets that accommodate for the different size tubings. Today, we're going to use the 60 to 65 millimeter bracket because that is the size of the tube here. So each bracket comes as a pair and they also have the associated rubbers. Now, each one is labeled. So once you find the dimension of your tube, just use the one that's accordingly and it will snugly fit. We'll get to the back of the light bar, and you see there are multiple slots. So you can pick and choose where you want to clamp it essentially, and there are the bottom sections that you can unplug and the bottom bigger bracket goes there. So we're going to use these ones that are already open already. So these are just plugs that come off. So I'm going to put the first bracket on top. We'll get our hex head there because we still want it loose, because by the time we get it onto the bar, we can do some further adjustments and tighten everything up. So we've pre-installed the top ones. So simply we're just going to grab that over and then clamp it on top of the bar, and then we can install the lower brackets. So this is resting there. We grab our bottom bracket, and there's the bottom screws there. And then there's the Allen that screws into the top clamp to secure it all. So I'm just going to thread the bottom screw onto this one. So keep them nice and loose because we still got to clamp this together. Once we've kind of found what we want, we've got to lock these two together. So going from the top here, we can lock the two components together. I'm gonna have that loosely done so we can do our other side at the same time. Once you've kind of got it tight, we're going to try to centralize this with the vehicle. Once you're happy with the location, we can simply just tighten everything together. For the wiring for the EVO Light Bar, we also provide a harness inside the box. Please be sure to use that harness in the box because it uses its own proprietary harness, which is a DT4 connector here, which simply plugs into the back. Now, it's 4 because there are the DRL options. So we have the blue wire and the white wire there. Both are labeled as DRL high and DRL low. Blue is high, white is low. So for the different power options for your DRL, be sure to tap those into your Parker signals if you do require. Now, we provide this nifty little kit tool, which allows you to assist in removing these without damaging the pins behind them. There are the dedicated slots on the fascia. So all you do is you get that rubber end and you kind of lever and it pops off the fascia. So you can mix and match and swap to whatever color you want. To check out the rest of our range, be sure to head on to our website. For further questions, contact our customer support team and make sure to also follow us on all our socials.